Welcome to my channel, the 2000 United States quarter dollar with reference to Virginia and 1788, which commemorates Virginia's ratification of the U.S. Constitution and is part of the 50-state quarters program. Below is the detailed information about the 2000 Virginia quarter, including its design, historical context, and key features. Overview of the 2000 Virginia quarter. The 2000 Virginia quarter is part of the 50-state quarters program initiated by the U.S. Mint. This program, which ran from 1999 to 2008, celebrated each state in the U.S. with a unique quarter design. Each coin in the program features a reverse design specific to that state. Virginia's quarter was issued in 2000, and it is the 10th coin in the series. The coin commemorates Virginia's role in the founding of the United States and its ratification of the U.S. Constitution in 1788, making it a highly significant coin in American history. Historical significance. Virginia in 1788. Virginia's role in 1788. In 1788, Virginia ratified the U.S. Constitution, becoming the 10th state to join the Union. This was a critical event in the formation of the United States, as it secured the necessary support for the newly proposed government framework. Notable figures from Virginia. Virginia was home to several influential figures in American history, including George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, James Madison, and Patrick Henry. These individuals played pivotal roles in the American Revolution, the drafting of the Constitution, and the formation of the new government. The 2000 Virginia quarter design. The reverse back of the 2000 Virginia quarter features a unique design that highlights Virginia's historical significance, especially focusing on George Washington, the first president of the United States, who was a Virginian. The design was chosen through a public competition in Virginia. Key elements of the design. George Washington statue. The reverse of the Virginia quarter features a depiction of George Washington's statue. This statue is located at the Virginia State Capitol in Richmond, Virginia, and was sculpted by Jean-Antoine Houdon in 1796. The statue was commissioned to honor Washington for his pivotal role in the American Revolution and in the formation of the United States. Inscriptions. The design includes the word Virginia at the top, prominently honoring the state. 1788 is inscribed at the bottom of the coin, commemorating the year Virginia ratified the U.S. Constitution. The quarter also includes the inscription "Fifth State to join the Union," referencing Virginia's role as the fifth state to join the United States after the Constitution was adopted. Symbolism. The image of George Washington, a Virginian, symbolizes not only Virginia's important place in U.S. history, but also the broader ideals of freedom and liberty. Washington's leadership during the American Revolution and his presidency were pivotal to the success of the young nation. Obverse front, design of the 2000 quarter. As with all U.S. quarters minted since 1932, the obverse front of the 2000 quarter features George Washington's profile. The design, created by John Flanagan, has been used consistently for the Washington quarter series. Inscriptions on the obverse. The word liberty is inscribed above Washington's portrait, symbolizing the ideals of freedom and independence. "In God We Trust" appears to the right of Washington's portrait. The year of minting, 2000, is inscribed below his portrait. The coin also reads United States of America around the upper edge and E pluribus unum, which means out of many one, at the bottom. Physical characteristics of the 2000 Virginia quarter. Material. The 2000 Virginia quarter is made from a clad composition, which consists of 91.67% copper and 8.33% nickel. This composition provides the quarter with its recognizable metallic look and feel. Weight. The coin weighs 5.67 grams, 0.2 ounces. Diameter. The quarter has a diameter of 24.26 millimeters, 0.955 inches. Edge. The edge of the coin is reeded, meaning it has small grooves running along the perimeter. Liberty on the 2000 Virginia quarter. Although the reverse design of the 2000 Virginia quarter does not feature Lady Liberty or other specific depictions of liberty, the word liberty is inscribed on the obverse side of the coin. The inclusion of liberty is a long-standing feature on U.S. coinage and signifies the country's ideals of freedom and independence. The use of George Washington's portrait further reinforces the idea of liberty, as Washington was a key figure in securing American independence and establishing the framework of the U.S. government. Value and collectability of the 2000 Virginia quarter. Circulated coins. The coin has a face value of 25 cents in circulated condition. However, the coin's historical and collectible value can increase depending on its condition. The 2008 U.S. quarter with reference to Liberty, Oklahoma, and 1907. Let's break this down into a comprehensive explanation, covering the details of the 2008 Oklahoma quarter, the concept of liberty on U.S. coins, and some additional context regarding 1907 coins. 1. 2008 Oklahoma State Quarter. The 2008 Oklahoma State Quarter is part of the 50 State Quarters program, which ran from 1999 to 2008. This program was a series of commemorative quarters issued by the U.S. Mint, each one representing a different state. Each quarter in the series features a unique design representing the history, culture, and symbols of each state. Oklahoma Quarter, released in 2008. Reverse design. The reverse back of the 2008 Oklahoma Quarter features a scissor-tailed flycatcher, which is Oklahoma's state bird. Oklahoma's state motto, Labor Omnia Vincit, Latin for labor conquers all things. The year 1907 is inscribed on the coin, marking the year that Oklahoma became the 46th state to join the Union on November 16, 1907. Obverse design. The obverse front of the coin, like all U.S. quarters since 1932, features the portrait of George Washington. The word liberty is inscribed above Washington's head, and the motto, In God We Trust, appears on the left side. Face value. The quarter has a face value of 25 cents, 25 cents. Additional notes. Mintage. The total number of Oklahoma quarters minted in 2008 is in the billions, making them very common and widely circulated. Collector's value. For a quarter in circulation, the value is its face value of 25 cents. However, collectors may pay a little more for uncirculated or proof versions of the coin. An uncirculated 2008 Oklahoma quarter could be worth $1 to $5, depending on its condition. Special mint sets and proof coins, made for collectors, may have a higher value. 2. The term liberty on U.S. coins. The word liberty has appeared on many U.S. coins throughout history. It has been an essential part of U.S. coin designs, often symbolizing freedom and the nation's ideals. Here's how liberty is used on U.S. coins. Liberty on the 2008 Oklahoma quarter. As mentioned earlier, the word liberty is inscribed on the obverse of the quarter, just above the portrait of George Washington. Historical significance of liberty. On older coins, such as the Liberty Head nickel or Liberty Head half-dollar, the word liberty was used to represent a female figure of liberty wearing a cap or crown. This figure is an allegorical representation of the United States' ideals of freedom and democracy. Over time, liberty became a consistent inscription on U.S. coins, appearing with other symbolic representations of liberty, like on the Barber Quarter, minted from 1892 to 1916, or the Standing Liberty Quarter, minted from 1916 to 1930. Modern use. On modern U.S. coins like the 2008 Oklahoma quarter, liberty is associated with the image of George Washington, rather than the personification of liberty herself, but it still conveys the same idea of American freedom. 3. The significance of 1907 coins. The year 1907 is notable in U.S. coin history for several reasons. This was a pivotal year for coin designs and saw the minting of several important and historically significant coins. 1907 Barber Quarters. Barber Quarters were minted from 1892 to 1916 and were designed by Charles E. Barber, the chief engraver at the U.S. Mint. Design. Obverse. The obverse features a profile of liberty, with her wearing a cap. Reverse. The reverse of the coin features an eagle with a shield and olive branch. Value. A 1907 Barber quarter in average condition is generally worth between $10 and $20, but in higher grades, it could be worth $50 or more. 1907 Indian Head $5 gold coin, Type 1. The 1907 Indian Head $5 gold coin is one of the most famous coins in U.S. history. Design. This coin features a Native American wearing a feathered headdress on the obverse, with a golden eagle on the reverse. The 1907 version is historically significant because it was the first year the design was minted. Value. A 1907 Indian Head $5 gold coin is worth several $100s depending on its condition, and in excellent condition, It can be worth $1,000 to $3,000 or more. 1907 Liberty Head Nickel. The Liberty Head nickel was minted from 1883 to 1912, and 1907 is one of the years in which it was issued. Design. The coin features Liberty wearing a coronet on the obverse and a large V, Roman numeral for 5 cents, on the reverse. Value. A 1907 Liberty Head nickel generally ranges in value from $10 to $50, depending on its condition.